friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to clean out my fridge, so come along with me.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million.
So I'm starting out by pulling everything out of the fridge here, then I'm going to take the shelves out and clean them.
Of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginning.
This is what Mr. Noodles is meowing about. He wants some. Should we give him some? Yes. There's only a little bit in there. You want it? Yeah. He's happy now. Well, how loudly he eats. I'm going to put the mic right by him. You're loud. Okay, so I got everything taken out and everything taken out of the door here. Flip you around so I can show you. Got everything here. The meat drawer here to be cleaned. And I set everything on the door right here. So now I'm going to take the shelves out and go through all the stuff in the fridge and make sure the expiration dates are good. I'm going to be using the Dawn Platinum Power Wash, and it's the free and clear. No smells.
Disco lights, they can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
So my daughter's at dance today and my husband's working, so I have lots of time to go ahead and clean the kitchen and the fridge. So do this when you have lots of time on your hands, because it takes quite a while. It's a lot of deep cleaning.
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down.
This one is quite dirty. Ugh.
Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here now.
This drawer is so broken, but we rent here, so can't really do much about it. Yeah, so I tried to tape it as best as I can, so.
I got love. I got love. I got love. I got love.
get the glass back on this one, just because I don't want it to like accidentally fall or break. So I feel like it'd be safer just inside the frame. So we're gonna put it back. Dry it off a little bit. Okay, now this is gonna be a no judgment zone, right? Yeah, so I found stuff in my fridge. Come look. What? What is this? We don't even really eat Jell-O. What is it? We must have got Jell-O one time or another because there's 3 in the bottom of my fridge. So I don't know. Let's get it cleaned up though.
But it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got.
Okay, so I got whatever brown stuff was down there. It was really sticky and gross, but I scrubbed it off and I got it.
You couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. I got something real. 'Cause I got love. Yeah, yeah. I got love. Yeah, yeah. I got love.
Make sure the tallest thing fits on top.
I got love. Yeah, yeah. Some people cruel. Some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round. 'Cause I got something real. I got something real. 'Cause I got love. Yeah, yeah. I got love, love. Yeah, yeah. I got love. Yeah, yeah. I got love. Yeah, yeah. I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you.
So we just have a few things here that's outdated and that we're not using anymore. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this away. Not too bad. Okay, we have everything put back in the fridge now. Let me show you what it looks like.
You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me.
Okay, so it's all cleaned out. It feels so good to get my fridge cleaned out. Like, so good. It looks awesome. So now it's ready to put groceries in. So now that I have the inside clean, I'm gonna go ahead and use these stainless steel wipes that I have for refrigerators. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean the outsides.
And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love.
All right, I have the fridge all done. It's clean on the inside and the outside.
You out tonight, kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar. Yeah, you know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and let's run everything.
It feels so good to have it done. All right, thank you for joining me in today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my